Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will review about Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Mercedes-Benz S-Class price. The sedan is priced between 1.57 rupees crore and 1.62 rupees crore ex-showroom. Mercedes-Benz S-Class variants. It is sold in two trims, S350D and S450. Mercedes-Benz S-Class engine and transmission. Mercedes-Benz offers the 7th Gen S-Class with both petrol, with 48V mild hybrid tech, and diesel engines. Both are 3-liter inline 6-cylinder turbocharged units. While the petrol engine makes 367 PS and 500 Nm, the diesel's output stands at 330 PS and 700 Nm. Both get a 9-speed automatic transmission driving all four wheels. Mercedes-Benz S-Class features. The S-Class gets a 12.3-inch digital driver's display, a 12.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, connected car tech, and 2 wireless phone chargers. It also comes with 64-color ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and 20-inch alloy wheels. Mercedes-Benz S-Class safety. It is equipped with 10 airbags, electronic stability control, ABS with EBD, and front and rear parking sensors. Mercedes-Benz S-Class rivals. The S-Class competes with the likes of the Audi A8 and BMW 7 Series in India. Specification of Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 2,999 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 6. Max power 362.07 bhp at 5500-6100 rpm. Max torque 500 Nm at 1600-4500 rpm. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Body type sedan. Mercedes-Benz S-Class car is available in 5 different colors. Designo Diamond White Bright, High-Tech Silver, Onyx Black, Graphite Gray, Nautic Blue. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.